Those of you who've been following the restoration of Tiger 131 will know that one of our biggest problems has been these missing fan drives. We've now finished the manufacture of those fan drives, fitted them to the vehicle, and now we're at the end of March and we're going to take the tank out and give it a test run and see if those fan drives are really working.
So when we first start the tank from cold, we disconnect the fan drives, which eases the load on the engine when it's turning over. So now we've run the engine, we're going to undo this little bolt here and put the fans into gear. They're 2-speed fans, and we use the lowest of the 2 gears.
Earlier in the month, the new fan drives were fitted to the engine bay of the Tiger by Buzz and Slim, workshop staff at the museum.
Thumbs up.
Put the nut back in to hold it in place so it doesn't jump out of gear.
Who cleaned up the engine bay?
Slim. Isn't it? Right, we're all ready to start now. So we've elected Brian Frost, workshop assistant, to turn the starting handle.
The newly fitted drives is backed out of the museum for a short test run. The vehicle looks in good shape now, and the museum has plans for running it over the course of the summer of 2012. We're very pleased with the result of all the time, energy and effort that has gone into returning this vehicle to a much more original condition.